What's up, guys? So you've got a threaded connection that just keeps leaking no matter what, right? I'm gonna tell you how to fix that, all right? First off, when you buy your Teflon, this is the 99-cent Teflon, this is the $3 Teflon. $3 Teflon is worth the extra money. Second off, when you're putting your Teflon on, make sure that you're always wrapping clockwise, okay? Counterclockwise. If you put your Teflon on counterclockwise, when you go to connect your threads, it's gonna undo the Teflon, okay? Because what you're doing is you're turning it the wrong way. Finally, if you wanna make sure that that threaded connection never leaks, on top of your Teflon, go ahead and put a bit of this. Pipe thread sealant. The pros call this dope, and it is dope. This stuff will stop leaks like crazy. Hey man, if you like this video, if you want to see more straight to the point videos with no wasted time, hit that subscribe button and I'll come up higher on your feed next time you're looking for help, okay? If you have a question, comment, put it below. If you want to help me out, give me a like. All right, guys, have a good day.